Which civilization is also known as Harappan Civilization? Mayan Civilization, Chinese Civilization, Incan Civilization, or Indus Valley Civilization? And the correct answer is Indus Valley Civilization. The date 6th April 1930 in Indian history known as Dandi March or Salt March, Gandhi-Irvin Pact, First World War or Second World War? And the correct answer is Dandi March or Salt March. When was the First World War fought? 28 July 1916, 28 July 1915, 28 June 1914 or 28 June 1940? And the correct answer is 28 July 1914. When was the Second World War fought? 1st September 1930, 2nd June 1929, 1st September 1939 or none of these? And the correct answer is 1st September 1939. Mahabharat was written by Tulsidas, Sage Valmiki, Sage Vyas or none of these? And the correct answer is Sage Vyas. Burma was separated by India in 1937, 1947, 1935 or 1933? And the correct answer is 1937. The name of Buddha's father was Siddhartha, Suddhodana, Vardhaman or none of these? And the correct answer is Suddhodana. Which year Portuguese conquered Goa? 1510, 1505, 1550 or 1520? And the correct answer is 1510. The founder of first historical empire in India was Harshavardhan, Ashok, Chandragupta Maurya or all of the above? And the correct answer is Harshavardhan. Arab-Israel war began in the year 1964, 1965, 1966 or 1967? And the correct answer is 1967. Watch our other videos. Support us, like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.